Most traders lose not because their strategy is bad, but because they enter the market when it has already reversed. So in this video, I'll show you how to spot market a reversal instantly. Okay, here we have two things. So first, in uptrend, the market to know that it has reversed, it has to break the last higher low, and in the downtrend, it has to break the last lower high. Okay, so now for example, when you have a bearish market, remember, a bearish market, it is always creating higher highs and the higher lows. So now here, to know that the market has broken, here this is the last higher low. Okay, this is the last higher right here, and the market has to break this higher low for us to indicate a market reversal. Okay, so now this is a bearish market. So when the market breaks the last higher low, okay, it indicates to us that this market has reversed, right? So now you can see that this higher low, it is broken. And there is, when the market breaks it, we are expecting the market to come to any zone of our choice, and it sells again, right? So now, for example, now it is the same thing when the market it is in the bearish direction. When the market is in the bearish direction, to confirm the reversal, it has to break the last lower high. Okay, let's say that is the last lower high. The market has to break it before it turns direction. Okay, so now here you will see that this was the last higher low right here. Okay, so now this higher low, when it is broken, you will see that the market returned from certain zones, for example, order blocks or fair value gaps, and it buys again. So that's how you can identify market reversals. So let's go to the chart example and I show you this. Now you'll see it is your role now to understand that this market is bullish or bearish. Now it has to take you only 1 second for you to understand the market direction. Now this was a bullish market. Why? Because you see how the market was moving. You have to be knowing which high is this, or is this a low, or is this a high. So it is your role to know that. Okay, you will see that these are highs. Okay, and you have to know the higher high and the higher low, because now this is a bullish market. We have to first know which is the last higher low, and it has to be broken. Okay, so now those are higher highs, and you will see that this was the last higher low right here. This was the last higher low. Okay, and you will see that when the market came right here, you will see that this market came and broke this last higher low. And when it broke the last higher low, you can see the move that it came and sold again, but after breaking this last higher low right here. Okay, so now that's how you can actually get this. Okay, so now when the market goes back, it has to turn from a certain zone. We shall see those zones, and you can even watch the videos. You can see the order block that the market turned from. Okay, it was very nice. So when the market is selling, it has to be breaking higher lows and lower lows. Okay, so now you will see that this is a low right here. This is a low right here. Okay, this first sell is low, and we can see the last higher low, and you'll see that this was the last higher low. So now your role is to wait for this last higher low to be broken. This was the last higher low, guys. Okay, the market has to break that higher low and we turn bullish, guys. Okay, so now here you'll see that this higher low was broken from right here. That was the break of our higher low, and when the market breaks that higher low, you'll see that it came back to your zone. I say these zones, I told them you can go and watch them. So now you can see the order block zone. The market came back to your order block zone, and the reaction, it was massive. You can see the reaction, the buying opportunity, but all that after a market reversal. So it is your role to understand when and where the market has turned from. I think those few examples are hopeful to you guys. So if you have got something from this video, consider subscribing and give a like to this video.